Hello, we make a dinosaur in this video. To make a dinosaur, first draw a U shape in a reverse position or in opposite position. Then twist it with a soft curve from one edge and draw one another curve just below the first curve. Draw a nostril and make an oval with a small oval inside the bigger oval. It's a face ready of our dinosaur. For the body of dinosaur, we draw a line from just below the face to downwards. Then sketch a line from the upper end of the face Make the upper line little longer. Now go to the top of the face, or we can say head of dinosaur, and make some curves. Now we again come to the body shape. Just make a little longer curve line and turn it in a reverse direction. It's a body and a tail shape of dinosaur. For dino's leg, draw two curved lines with some gap in between and turn it with a straight line. It's like we give a joint in the dino leg. Now make some zigzag curves for the foot shape, like we do in our video. And draw the same kind of shape for the back foot. Just ignore the extra lines. We can erase it when our sketch is done. Now go to the upper side of dinosaur body and draw a curved line, two curved lines with gap between, just a little below from the face and make same kind of zigzag curves for the feet. Draw the front foot, back foot in the same position. Now we make a pattern in dinosaur body. First, we just draw a lower body curve. Now we make some circles, small and big, inside the body shape. Now our pencil sketch is done. It's time to finalize the pencil sketch with a pen. Just hold your pen like you hold your pencil. Make your hold on your tool, but use it to enough. the pattern of dinosaur. After this, we erase all the pencil lines and our final image is ready. Bye bye.